The only question that I keep asking myself all this while is, why is it I'm just getting to know about this airdrop by now? I mean, where have I been? I mean, I've been active, posting always on YouTube, talking about everything I know on X and all that, but why is it I'm just getting to know about this airdrop by now? I mean, where have I been? This airdrop is literally like, I can call it the best airdrop that anybody can participate on this period, because I've seen a lot of reason to do so. Now, guess what? If you are participating on this airdrop, I don't want to be talking everything right here on this video because of YouTube policy and all that, but guess what? This airdrop is amazing. I'm not here to give you hope or whatever. You have your own rights to do whatever research you want. Do your research properly. This video is just for education and entertainment purposes only. Every platform have their own rule and how they do their things, but this airdrop we are talking about right here, it's amazing. I don't want to be wasting your time. Let's get started. So this airdrop is called Verychat, and what they basically do is that they are a kind of trying to replicate what Pi token did during its time. You all remember that we mined Pi for a very long period of time, and at the end of the day, Pi did well. People made a lot of money and all that, but I'm not here to tell you that you are going to make money on this or not, but I just want to share my own personal opinion. Nothing on my video entirely is a financial advice, okay? But let me just go ahead and quickly explain what I know about this airdrop and some of the questions that a lot of you are asking on my community. I am going to be answering it right here on this video, okay? So without wasting time, we are talking about Verychat, and this Verychat airdrop we are talking about, it's currently selling offline, meaning that you can even start today, and whatever you mine, provided that you have migrated, you can, find a vendor like me, and that vendor is going to be taking it from you while he credits you maybe in cash or through crypto, meaning that you can sell it on P2P. This particular token we are talking about right here, it's currently trading on offline P2P. Okay, so without wasting time, guys, this is Very Token. Immediately you create your account. By the way, if you want to be creating an account, I have my own link right there on the video description box, and once you use the link on the video description box, you are going to be given 50 Very coin, and that 50 Very coin in Nigeria, it's worth around 250 naira, because one of these tokens is selling around 3.2 naira. Imagine starting today and making money today from this airdrop, but this is not guaranteed. It is not guaranteed. I'm not guaranteeing anything right here. I'm just telling you what the platform established and what I know about this particular project right here. So offline, this token is trading around $3.2 to around 3.2 naira to around 5 naira. That is around $0.0024. Now, if you start mining, it is very easy. To start mining is very easy. Simply when you create your account, click on the link, you are going to be taken to where you download the app. Download the app and use this as your invite code, crypto mechanic. Use it as your invite code. Now you are going to be starting to mine, and once you start mining, you have to just come over here and claim every hour. It doesn't take anything from you, at least 30 seconds every day for you to open and close the app every day. That is how you mine. You don't need to keep the app open all the time. You can just open it, claim, and scroll it away, remove it from your running apps. Okay, now this is where it gets even interesting. There's something we call token migration. And now, what is token migration and who is eligible to do token migration? Now, token migration is when you send the tokens you have mined from this dashboard to your wallet. Okay, when you send it from the dashboard to your wallet, that is token migration. And who is eligible for the token migration? The person that is eligible for the token migration is the person that have done his or her KYC. Time for that is coming. Now, for you to be eligible for all this, you need to have accumulated at least 500 Very coin right here. I personally started today and I've got about 412 Very coin right here. I started today literally. So once you invite anybody right here, you get 50 Very token. Imagine inviting about 10 persons right here. You have actually gathered a reasonable amount of Very coin, which you can decide to sell offline, and there are chances you are going to make good money out of that. But remember, this video is not a financial advice, and nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space. But if you have this token and you wish to sell it offline, simply contact me through my Telegram. I'm going to be leaving my Telegram right there on the video description box. I can buy it off from you, okay? But if anybody message you pretending to be me, it's not me. I will never message you first, okay? So basically, this is the information you need to know about, you need to have about this particular project. So when you come over here to wallet, now let me quickly unlock my wallet right here. When you come over here to wallet, this is where the token that you have probably bought, or the token that you have migrated already stores right here on the wallet. Why is it taking so long to load? Okay. Now that I've unlocked my wallet, you can see right here I have already bought 500. I've bought 500 Verycoin today. So this is where you can, after migration, your token is going to be landing right here. Then you can decide whether you want to sell or you want to keep it. Personally, I am keeping it until the token listing because I missed out on Pi. I am not missing out on this one. So you can set to send or receive right here. Now let's go back. Coming back right here, we have Lucky Box. Lucky Box actually gives you, they call it tickets to do. I haven't really understood that one. And of course we have the reward right here, which shows how your reward came in, and here you can easily claim some stuff right here. And this channel shows, like, it is where you get news or stuff around this particular token. So this is all I know right now about this Verycoin. I'm going to be doing more research about this. Remember, like I said, nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space, and before you involve yourself on any crypto related activity, do research very well. Do a proper research, because I'm not a financial advisor, neither do I even have the right to advise anybody financially. So I'm just sharing my own personal opinion, and remember, this video is for educational purpose only. So if you're interested in this particular airdrop, there's going to be a link right there on the video description box or right there on the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. I'll be stopping right here, but trust me, I regret why I have not known this airdrop up till this time. I seriously, like, oh my god. Anyway, I'm going to be catching up. Now, for those of you asking about the migration period comes once in a while. It's coming probably again this year. But if you're interested, the migration is not the one that they will be selecting people randomly, or the KYC, they won't be selecting. There's a time they are going to be giving a date, and when they give that date, then everybody should be ready to do it on that date. That is how it basically works. All right, so I'm going to be stopping here right now. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video that I'll be making very soon, concerning how you can be able to make money online.